Hello everyone, in this video I want to talk about ascentwealthai.com, right? And when I just want to access this website, it's not working. So we'll come to know that whether this website is a legit or scam, and in this video we will have a conclusion. Now the concern is it has a very low trust score. When I try to check the scam advisor on the website, I try the check the score, it's around 32, and it's suspicious, right? Because most of the website is around 80 or 90. This website is around 32, which is a big concern for us. As you can see, this website does not have many visitors. Several spammers and scammers use the same register. We detect cryptocurrency service which can be high risk. The website has only been registered recently. Okay, and there's a lot of YouTube reviews suggest that Ascend Wealth AI is a risky platform. The reviews noted that this site was only 16 days old. And here I found the article which just confirm each and everything. And here they have mentioned a video too, and you will find, and once you go through this report completely, you will find that this is completely just another scam. And there are so many negatives. I try to open their website, but it's not working. I don't know why. I mean, the servers have been currently closed down because of these allegations and everything. Once they found this website is doing some kind of scam here, so it's up to you. In conclusion, make sure that don't visit this website. Potential users should exercise extreme caution and conduct thorough research before engaging with this site or investing any money. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.